The selfie-oriented niche may be a small one, but still active. Every now and then a manufacturer will launch a phone with a high-resolution front camera, assisted by an LED flash, and some software enhancements to boost your self-made mugshots. Today, we take a look at the Asus ZenFone 4 Selfie Pro. As you are probably guessing by the name, it's a phone that wants to appeal to the social networking, selfie-loving crowd. This one ups the ante with a secondary, wide-angle selfie camera on the front, and a portrait mode for both the front and rear-facing snappers. Display: Asus ZenFone 4 Selfie Pro Review. We've got a 5.5-inch AMOLED panel with a 1080 by 1920 resolution. The imagery is sharp and, thanks to a very elaborate screen color customization menu, we can get either very punchy colors, or a very subdued, easy on the eyes look. In short, if not entirely color accurate, the display is a pleasure to look at and covers a variety of tastes. Unfortunately, it doesn't get very bright, so viewing out in the sunlight is not always a great experience.